I really love working with anyone that is in a place of transition in their life. They're not happy with where they are, whether it's with their personal life or their professional life, and they're really wanting some guidance on making that change.
I realized innately the need to foster a change that really had already started taking shape. It started when I graduated college. I was a finance major and I went into the world of finance. I suppose subconsciously decided that this isn't what my true journey was going to be in this life.
What I like to do is teach people about the role of their mind, body, and spirit so that they can understand that when they're in alignment, particularly with the soul being the guide, they are much more likely to be able to step into their full potential.
What I've learned in our manifestation class through our wonderful teacher and guide, Connie, is to really pay attention to alignment, to the alignment of mind, soul, first and foremost, our spirit, mind, and body.
Once all of those pieces get put together and people have the experience of that, literally, stepping into it, then they have the confidence to actually do it.
So I quit my job, much to the chagrin of my family, but I then started this process of finding what is next. And I discovered what I feel like is my true north.
So much of potential starts right here with our imagination. And the thing that I like to tell people is dream. Allow yourself to really feel the fullness of that dream.
This class has just been so empowering to be with a group of people on that path of learning and growing and sharing, and that connection, the compassion and the courage that it takes to put that out there and to be able to show up and do that together has been really powerful.
So if this is something you would like to do for yourself, I would love to help you. I've helped other people, and I'm certain I could help you too. And if you're interested, feel free to contact me through my website, spectrumtransformation.com, or you can email me, Connie@ConnieMilligan.com. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you.